Yo RVers, it's Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. I am proud to bring you an awesome camper today. None other than, you could probably tell behind me, Brinkley RV. All new for 2026, the Model Z 2700 fifth wheel. I'm excited, you're excited, let's get into it. All right, jumping straight inside on this floor plan, it's fantastic. Kitchen, we have a awesome side-by-side refrigerator, 12 volt. So not only are you gonna have that big capacity, but it's gonna cool down a lot faster. All right, you're gonna need a massive kitchen with this awesome, massive floor plan to make sure your camping style is huge. It's gonna start with a pantry on your left as you were facing the back wall. Lots of storage and all these drawers to get some of those canned goods in. Check out all this awesome counter space. I've got a lot of prep area. With the sink, we do have a faucet that we can pull off and definitely make up cleanup time a lot easier. And you can double down with the sink with the dish rack dryer. Above, all their cabinetry is really solid, good magnetic catches, and what do they call it? Soft touch or soft closed doors. And again, the drawers are, man, when you open them, you just feel that quality construction. Plenty of storage underneath the sink in case you need to throw some big bulky items there. And again, everything even down to the little rubber, what would you say, rubber stoppers, just to make sure that your cabinetry is really gonna stay nice over the years. All right, as you can see, it's massive storage, great prep area. You're gonna need a big area to cook. It starts with this 3-burner stove top with a nice cast iron top there. Huge oven to make sure that you can get all kinds of good baking going on. They even take that little bit of storage underneath to give you maybe some cookie sheet kind of storage, if you will. And again, big drawers here for your pots and pans. More prep area. Love the window usage everywhere so we can get some natural light. Of course, you're gonna have cabinetry here. And to finish off, of course, a wide microwave to get into some of those big dishes to make sure that if you need to zap anything, you got it real quick. All right, as you can see, you have a kitchen island, but Brinkley, you know them, they've got to take everything to the next step. Check out this big counter extension. Pull out the little support arm. Dude, this is awesome, phenomenal. And it doesn't stop with just that. On the kitchen island, we have a nice drawer. And again, they're nice little touch with the paper towel holder, double trash cans, or maybe trash can and recycling. And last but not least, we can't forget our 4-legged furry friends. It has magnets that you can attach to any of the metal pieces so your buddy isn't gonna be splashing them around, and collapsible water and food dishes. That's awesome. All right, you're gonna be living big in that living room and the entertainment. Of course, I love the use of the space here. They've managed to fit in and configure an L-shaped sofa, so it's happy hour time. We've got plenty of space to sit everybody, but entertaining-wise, as you can see the recliner here. We've got a couple others over here, and you know, Brinkley, they've got to take it a step further, even in the living area. Check this little just quick design of a cup holder that you can maneuver either space. And check out the TV and fireplace. I am going to enjoy movie time with the fire going, cold beverage, feet kicked up. How much better can this get? Sneak peek segment. Hideaway cabinet, Rockford Fosgate head unit. This is where I'm hiding all my candy from everybody. All right, to wrap up the main floor, we have a very universal finish to this area, and it's this multi-position desk, table, whatever you want to call it. It's really super cool. So as you can see here, we have kind of a work station set up. There is electric grommet there that you can run your cords out through. But then this also serves as your table if you want to sit 2, you want to sit 4. We can bring this out, flip over the tabletop, get it back in position wherever you want. Maybe if it's just the 2 of you or just one person, but great. If we need a little bit more, A little more seating area. Now we have the traditional four-top, or maybe squeeze in one on the end, maybe move that. But anyway, it's really universal. And comes with some really cool folding chairs. What do we have here? Un momento, por favor. All right, so Brinkley is going to give you 2 of these folding chairs. We have wing nuts here that we're going to tie in or tighten on there just as an extra precaution, as well as 2 clamps. Garçon, bring me a red wine, please. Your finest. All right, coming into the bathroom, I love the bathroom. We've got an extension of the slide out that goes into the bedroom that gives us a lot of extra floor space, which means plenty of leg room for this position. We've got a nice toilet paper rack here that's easily accessible. Make sure we get a couple extra rolls. Lots of linen storage here. One of my favorites, of course, of these is the nice big shower. I've got plenty of elbow room, plenty of head height, cool accent lighting behind me, and you cannot without mentioning this shower setup. My gosh, I've got so many spray nozzles coming at me and get really cleaned up. And to finish off the bathroom, nice vanity space for all my toiletries, really cool backlit mirror, and plenty of storage. Well, maybe not down there. And where everything comes to the end for your camping trip, a good night's rest, right? It starts with a nice bamboo mattress that is super comfortable. We've got tons of storage that you guys can see behind me. And again, just the small touches that Brinkley does, like the light switches at the nightstand, so we don't have to reach over somebody that's already snoring and wake them up. There's plenty of outlets around this whole floor plan to make sure you're charging up everything. We've got a lot of storage up underneath, but it's also extended for storage into this closet, wardrobe, whatever slide out that you want to call it. Tons of hanging storage, as well as what? 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers that we can fold everything up. And lastly, the TV right at the head of the bed. That way viewing angle is like optimal, if you want to say that, to make sure that we catch all our favorite shows morning and night. All right, so there you have it. What do you think of the 2700 by Brinkley, the Model Z? It's all new for 2026. I know you want to give it a thumbs up because we're giving it 2 thumbs up. Make sure you comment below. Love to hear your first impressions, and more importantly, there's so much stuff that we can't cover in these short videos. Ask your questions, I'll get you some answers. And lastly, everybody show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.